Dear students, today's class lesson 5 for next with this step. In the previous class also we studied about the for next loop. Today also for next with this step value. In the for next loop, the value of the control variable is incremented by 1 if you are not at all using the step value. If you use the step value, you can change the step value to different number. Here syntax of this for next with step is given. You see, for loop variable is equal to initial value to final value step n. With the example I can explain you. Program to print the Cbse. First CLS, you all know CLS means clear screen, and the next step for a is equal to 1 to 5 because you are going to print the Cbasic value, and in that for loop you are giving step 2 is given. Step 2 means it will take the value of the next one as 3 and next 5. It will take like that. Print Cbasic and next A given. In the above program 3 times because the value 2 is added at each step as the following. First time for a is equal to 1 it will take, and the next time whenever the loop is executing it will take the value of a as 1 plus 2 which is equal to 3. That is 2 is the step value. So a first time 1 plus step value 2 means 3 it will take, and in the next time it will take a value as 3 plus 2. 3 is the previous a value, and next time we are giving step 2 it will take the a value as 5. Like this it will take. But in the previous class we studied Cbasic 5 times. If you are printing means a is equal to 1 to 5 and next print Cbasic, next a, like that we gave no step value added. For that it will print the Cbasic word 5 times. This time if you are giving step 2 it will print the word Cbasic only 3 times because of the step value 2. Okay. Now we pass on to the next one. Do while loop. Do while loop, it will execute the block of statements in the program whenever the expression in the loop evaluates to true. If the expression evaluates to true, you can use the do while loop. For this syntax given do while, here we are giving condition, and after that you are giving block of statement within the brackets, and next you are writing the loop. Loop is the end of the do while loop statements. Okay, with the example once again I will explain you the same Cbasic 5 times the word. First step CLS, that is clear screen. You are taking a value is equal to 1, and now we are using the do while loop. You start do while within the bracket, that is the condition we are giving a less than or equal to 5. Print within double quotation we are giving Cbasic, and next we are incrementing the a value by 1, that is a is equal to a plus 1, and we are finishing the do while loop as loop. Okay, for this what it will take, the initial value of the variable will be 1 for the first time. And if you check this condition 1 is less than or equal to 5, this condition is true. So this condition true means it will execute the next statements in the do while loop. That is print Cbasic, it will automatically print the Cbasic, the word. And after that what it will do increase the value of a by 1, that is a is equal to 2 it will take. Once again it will move to the do while condition. Here it will check, here also the condition is true. Once again it will print Cbasic, and third time it will increase the value of 3, and fourth time it will increase the value of a as 4. This condition is also true. Okay, again the fifth time it will take a is equal to 5 and it will check equal to 5, a less than equal to 5, that condition is also true. Immediately it will print the Cbasic. So totally 5 times the Cbasic word will be printed, and whenever it increases the value of a is equal to a plus 1, that is 5 plus 1 6, the condition false, it will come out of the loop and it will end the program. That only here given as program. Now we see the next one, do until loop. By using the do until loop, how to print numbers 1 to 5. Before that, you see the syntax of this do until, the same as that of the do while loop. Here do until we are giving and also the condition, and next within the bracket we are giving the block of statements, and at the end we are giving the loop. That is the word, keyword. And you see the example. First one, CLS, clear screen. First time you are giving the count value is equal to 1, and next the do until loop starts. Here count greater than 5. Next print count. Next count is equal to count plus 1, and we are ending the loop value. Here what it will do, if the condition is false, it will come out of the loop. So here you see first time it will take one value greater than 5, this condition false. Immediately it will print the 1. Next again it will increase the value 2, it will check the condition false, so it will print true. Next 3 it will take, it will print 3, the condition false, so 3 it will print, 4 it will print, and 5 also it will print. And if the count is 6, it will check 6 greater than 5, this condition is true, immediately it will come out of the loop and stop the program. Next one, nested loop. Nested loop means a loop inside another loop is called a nested loop. Here in the example you see one loop for A is equal to 1 to 5 given, and the next loop for B is equal to 1 to 4 given here. So this is known as the nested loop. A 1 to 5 is the outer loop and B 1 to 4 is the inner loop. And you see print Cbse is the word given. You are going to print Cbse word, and next B given, and after that only next A given. So whenever you are using the nested loop, the inner loop should be closed first and the outer loop should be closed next. Okay. Here inner loop executed first and the outer loop is executed completely for every value. First you see example for I is equal to 1 to 10, for j is equal to 1 to 10, print within double quotation we are giving hello, and next j, next I. So for this it will print the word hello 10 times, and for j 1 to 10 given 10 times it will print. This is the nested loop. Okay. Now we pass on to the book exercise. You all take your book. First you do the one words by yourself by reading the book, find and write the answer, and after completing the answers, you see the given answer and check this answer with your marked answers. And today's homework, you mark the one word answers, check it with this answer and you study. Okay, next class we see the answer the following. Okay.